Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a cracking fabulous weekend. So excited for today, Friday Freebie. Free Printable, you can download on my Facebook group and also on my newsletter and on my website too. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. On Monday, let me zoom out a little bit, sorry, don't know why I was zooming so. On Monday, we made this little folio here. It's got lots of pockets, like a multi-pocket folio from one sheet to 12 by 12. So this sort of project are fabulous if you want to use up your 12 by 12. Because we covered them, and I mean, mine was a very old, cheap cardstock, but you can use anything that you kind of don't like because you're going to cover it with some papers anyway. So, and I've distressed all the edges and bits and pieces. So that's the front, and then it opens up like that. So you got one side pocket here, you got one front pocket there. Sorry, I got glue peeling on my fingers. And then on the back, you got a little concertina open, so you've got another pocket there and another triangle pocket here. You can put a little ribbon through to close it. I've not done it yet, but I will probably will. And yeah, I might do a little insert there, but we can do that in a separate video. So today I'm going to share the freebie for this week. Of course, it's Friday, so Friday freebie. So the kit I have used here is my newest kit. Everything that I'll say always link down below, so if you guys want to have a look. So of course, because I used them up, so that these are 12 by 12, no, A4, but because I have used them, so this is what I got left. But the freebie, I love it because it's one of the map, and I just put some flowers. So you probably know me by now. I am the guy of contrast. I love contrast. I love things that clash together. You might not like this, and I completely appreciate it, but I know a few of you will love that. So because I can't please anybody, I'm trying my freebies to do everything that's a bit different. So this week you're gonna get this here. So it's a page, one of the maps. In fact, I think it's this one. I'm sure it's this one. And I just put some flowers all on the corner here on the right hand side. Because again, as I said when we did this video, these papers are quite masculine, quite hard, quite dark, and I wanted something a bit more feminine to clash. Okay, so how'd you get this freebie? As per usual, if you're familiar with my channel, you get this on my Facebook group. I'll show you now where.
Okay, so this is my Facebook group. So once you're in, you just need to send a request, but all the links are down below. So this is the homepage when you got Brenda here showcasing some of creations. This is my freebie there. I got some of the pages. This is Poppy Married. I shared a collage. So it's a very, very interactive community. A lot of you guys share the creations, so we can learn from one another. So if you click on files in there, see, you can see all my freebies in listed by date. Okay, so there's over 300 freebies, so you guys can come and download them all. These are either the Christmas advent calendars there, so lots and lots of free papers for you guys to enjoy.
So my Facebook group, and also I send a newsletter email every Friday, and I will put here on the screen on your left hand side what the newsletter looks like. It's basically an email with a recap of the week, so I've got my videos of the week, the paper of the week, there is also a cheeky discount code, some just chit chats and crafty news and things I want to share with you guys that are not necessarily shared on the videos. So it's a really, really good good things. And the reason behind the newsletter is that you guys don't have to do anything. I know that most of you are on Facebook, well, there is a small portion of people that are not on Facebook, so that's the way for them to get the freebies. And also I just put a collection of freebies on my website as well. So I think it's about 15 pages. All the past freebies
merge it into one, so you've got quite a lot of it. So if you guys want to have a look, please feel free to do so. And that's it. So that's what I wanted to share. I've got an exciting videos coming up next Monday. I'm not gonna say anything, so stay tuned in. And until then, guys, have a fabulous weekend, whatever the plans are. And I'm going to tidy up the desk today. Okay
guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big, huge, fat thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, because you tell the algorithm how much you love my freebie. Okay guys, I will put a link on a video just in a few minutes. So if you guys wish to carry on watching some more idea and inspiration, please feel free to do so. I will see you next week for another fabulous video, and until then, stay safe and well. Bye.